Hey there, welcome to Let's Dude. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed to yet, what are you waiting for? Do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notification from us. Lockdown has brought a great switch in our lives. Our teaching and learning techniques too have undergone a great change while we are used to going to school, meeting friends and attending lectures. But now it has become all virtual. We are meeting our friends virtually, there are live virtual classes, and a lot of other things too have changed. To summarize, our studying techniques has digitalized now. Some of us are quite used to attending online lectures, but many others are new and might be finding it difficult to adopt this sudden change. Don't worry, my friends, we are here to help you. In our today's session, we will be sharing some tips for taking notes from an online class. So here we begin. Do some prep. Yes, you heard me right. While in school, we had our timetable. We know which period is followed by the other and we had subject-wise book for taking notes. Why not have it online? Maintain at least one notebook for all the theory subject and one notebook specific for math. Mathematics requires problem solving and hence might need more pages. You may divide the book into small sections, each section for different subjects, like one for biology, physics, chemistry, history, etc. You may choose to have separate subject-wise notebooks too. That's totally depends upon you. This book is only and only for taking notes during the online class. Eliminate distractions. For effective learning, the right environment is equally important. While in a school classroom, we know for a fact that we are there to study. The environment is set for us. But while we are at home, there are a lot of distractions around us. Find some quiet area to attend your class so that you can very well concentrate while attending the class and you do not miss any important point while taking notes. Keep the essentials handy. We carried our textbooks, notebooks to our school relevant for specific periods following our timetable, right? Even for an online class, it is equally important to keep essentials handy. Say for example, you have a biology class, be ready with the book for taking notes, your biology textbook or any other reference material required. This is important because at times your teacher might say, mark so and so paragraph from your textbook as notes. So you just have to open it and mark it. You need not move from your computer or tab and keep searching for the textbook while the class is on. Create a system. Have a proper system for taking notes. Here is how you can create a system. Divide the page of your notebook into 3 sections as shown. The major area dedicated to taking notes, a small column for key ideas, and the bottom section for the summary. First, let's talk about the notes column. It is the area that you will use during your classes on. You can write the main points, charts, bullet points, formulas, important dates of history, outline. Basically, all the key takeaways from the lesson are to be noted there. This section is used during your class. Now, the remaining columns are useful after your class. The column is for noting down important keywords, anticipated questions that can be asked in your exams, main ideas and vocabulary words. Try to fill this column just after your class when the thoughts and ideas are fresh. And the last is the summary column. Just write down whatever you understood from the class in 1 or 2 points in your own words. Now here is one tip. Whenever you miss any class, then you can just check out the online materials available. You can also check out content available on our website www.letsdude.com. You will get math, science and accountancy courses there. Keep it brief and clear. Please don't end up writing down everything that the tutor says. The notes should be short, precise and very clear. Don't waste your time writing full sentences. Use abbreviations and leave space which you can fill later. So friends, these were 5 important points that you must keep in mind while you attend your class and take notes. Try this note making method and please let us know how effective it was for you in the comment section below. We will be creating more such videos that will help you in your studies during this lockdown. So stay tuned with us. Also feel free to let us know any specific topics that you want us to make. We are here to help you. Here we end our session. Hope you found this session useful. If yes, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Before you leave, take a look at our online courses hosted on our platform www.letsduit.com. Thank you.